We had really short ones, but now it's time to dance to some... Nah, we're not going to dance again. We are going to fly. Alright, viewers, today we are going flying. Alright, we're about to do a loop. We just did a loop. Now we're going to do another. Yeah, we just did another loop. Now we're going to do a corkscrew. Now we're going to do a reverse. Okay, we're landing. Are we landing? No, it's a big up. It's a big down. Over there. Why is it so dark? Who cares? Now there's that Brontosaurus again. Watch out. Raw. Now there is a puny T-Rex. Now there's a big T-Rex. A very friendly one. Hello. And we are flying. Whoa. It's a big finish. No, it's not. It's a... Oh, I think we're attached to something. Let's check. It's a pig. Oink. Choo. It's sleeping. Now it's fresh bacon. It's SpongeBob, I think. It is. Now we're grinding. Now we're flying over into dark space again. Now we're looping. Now we're upside down. Why is everything upside down? Oh, we're flying upside down. Yes, turn on. Could you please turn on the sun? Oh, it's nighttime, and I think the sun's turning on. Yes, it is. Now in all those dark corners, now we can see that is a pile of junk. Well, not really. It's stuff. Pile of just stuff. Now we're going to crash land into our friends. Yep, those are our friends. We're crash landing. Oh my god. What the heck? Hey, that's crap, man. Okay, now we are going to go into Terrence by accident. What the heck are you doing? Ow, ow, that hurt. Man, really. Okay, now we're going to go in that TV. Blah, 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 blah. The TV just exploded. Wow, this is amazing. Now the laptop's getting closer, so we can go further. We're almost to that bed. Wait, now we're stuck. Oh my god. Wow. Oh my god, I think I missed. Oh, yes I did. Ah, there goes the Brontosaurus. Woo. Woo. It's a big up, and it's towards the light. And now we're going down. I think we're gonna crash into the laptop. Woohoo! Uh-oh. Gas time. I think we're crash landing. Bye, viewers! See you in my next video!